I'll go to jail because you're going to violate my rights. Yeah, you are. It's my First and my Fourth Amendment rights.
Hold on.
You understand?
Listen.
Because he's trying to take me to jail over not identifying myself.
Yes, because
your body cam's on?
Absolutely.
I don't see the red light on yours. Is it on?
Yes, sir, it's on.
So
okay.
Listen.
Make sure you got it, because I will sue the shit out of you guys.
Let me explain something.
I will sue the shit out of you guys. There is no crime committed.
An ordinary driver was on his way when he was suddenly stopped by the police without any legitimate reason. They brazenly demanded that he present his identification, and when he refused, the officers immediately shifted to an aggressive attitude, trying to impose their authority. Intimidating stares and threatening words kept coming, all meant to break him down, but they picked the wrong man. This driver not only understood his constitutional rights, but also had the calmness and knowledge to turn the tables. Instead of being afraid, he boldly stood his ground, exposing every wrongful action and every lie the officers tried to use against him. On camera, he transformed what seemed like a disadvantage into a powerful lesson in the law, leaving those who relied on power suddenly on the defensive. These officers cannot escape the crime of harassment, abuse of power, and ultimately being humiliated in front of the public when the truth is exposed.
Well, that's our job, so we get your
I understand your job.
Okay.
Again, I'm not going to keep repeating myself. Talk to him. He's the one that called you, not me.
So you don't want to tell us what happened?
I'm not gonna, I don't want to
story?
I don't have a story. So I don't tell stories.
Okay.
So
said
go.
That you cut him off?
I did not cut nobody off. Again, ask him. We're in a fucking drive-thru at McDonald's. It's not that goddamn serious. So that's all I'm telling you.
I can completely understand.
If he wants to make a big deal out of nothing, that's on him. I'm not frustrated.
Yeah.
I don't have a problem. That's why I'm driving away. I didn't.
Okay. Do you have your license on you?
Yeah, but you don't need it.
Yeah, we absolutely do, sir.
No, man. You got it messed up.
You are involved in investigation.
Nope. I'll go investigate. No, you don't. I didn't do nothing. I didn't commit a crime.
Absolutely.
Negative.
Yes, absolutely.
That's a negative, man. You're not going to get it.
Please don't interfere with the investigation because they won't have to put you in jail.
Jake been in jail.
Well, I mean, that's the thing.
No te bajes. No te bajes.
You're violating my rights.
No te bajes.
Hey,
No te bajes.
there is no investigation.
No te bajes.
Listen.
No te bajes.
Listen. I'll go to jail because you're going to violate my rights. Yeah, you are. It's my First and my Fourth Amendment rights.
Hold on.
You understand?
Listen.
Because he's trying to take me to jail over not identifying myself.
Yes, because
your body cam's on?
Absolutely.
I don't see the red light on yours. Is it on?
Yes, sir, it's on.
So
okay.
listen.
Make sure you got it, because I will sue the shit out of you guys.
Let me explain something.
I will sue the shit out of you guys. There is no crime committed.
Are you going to let me explain?
There is no crime committed. No, because there's no crime committed.
Well, give us
you
your
understand?
ID.
I don't need to give you my ID. I didn't do nothing. There's no crime committed. Yep, no problem, George. No problem.
Really?
Yep.
Are you serious?
Just don't stop recording. We're going to get the reason for why he's being arrested. We're going to sue him. I need your supervisor. I need your supervisor. I need your supervisor. Don't stop recording.
No, we do. Hey, it's going to be tight. Can you put your arms a little bit closer?
I can.
Okay.
Can you go double up? Get the supervisor right here. Don't stop recording. Yes, ma'am. You violated my rights. I'm going to sue the shit out of both of you. What's your name and badge? No, sir. There's no crime committed.
We just need to...
So is that a misdemeanor or a felony? Is that a misdemeanor or a felony? Is that a misdemeanor or a felony? I don't care. There's no investigation. Your investigation starts there.
Right.
What's your name and badge number for the record?
Hey, it's Officer Carmen, 757.
Yours?
Officer Bailey, 727.
Thank you.
Are you going to listen to us now?
No, I'm not. I want your supervisor. I don't want to say a damn word to you guys.
Okay.
And I'm going to sue the shit out of the city of Roy City.
Okay.
Not a problem. Not a problem.
Actually, hold on, wait. Let me catch you down. Okay. Want to fix that there?
I don't condense. I don't search and seizures. Okay. So remember that for the record.
Okay.
I'm suing the shit out of you guys. I've been waiting for this. I don't answer questions.
Okay. You don't have anything on you?
I don't answer questions. I don't answer questions.
Okay.
What part of that do you not understand?
Okay. Well, you're not.
I'm going to sue the shit out of you guys. I've been waiting for this. I watch all these First Amendment videos, and this is what I've been waiting for. I got you, motherfucker.
All you had to do is...
I don't got to do shit. Go investigate. You don't need my fucking license for what?
Identify you as...
You don't need to identify me for shit. I didn't do nothing. That's not a crime.
We don't know that.
No, there's no crime.
Okay, well...
What's the crime? What is a crime? What did they call in for?
Disturbance.
Disturbance of what kind of disturbance?
His piece, that's it. He's just bugging.
A what? It's verbal? I mean, it's not physical? There's no crime. I'm trying to...
So you're being overly aggressive and we're just...
No, because you guys don't need my fucking ID. What part of that don't you fucking understand? God damn, you guys are fucking stupider than I thought. I don't want you fucking... I want your supervisor. You guys are stupid. That man trying to argue with his daughter in his car, and I told him, shut the fuck up and back away because I saw his daughter.
That's fucking crazy. Why is he still sitting over there all free when he's the one that caused the disturbance?
That's what I'm trying to get you out of the story. Okay, listen, I'm gonna explain it. Will you let me explain it to you without you? Huh? I'm not explaining it. I'm explaining to you. No, I'm not. So whenever there's a call, listen, just listen to me. So you don't have to
So gotta be some fucking bullshit. Y este también, porque es pongo fastidioso.
I know. Yeah, really.
It is the way that I am. Okay, so are you gonna let me explain it to you now, or are you gonna argue? If we actually are. Okay, so listen. The way it works is there was a disturbance, okay? And so whenever we come out of the disturbance, we ID everybody involved. Okay? And yeah, that is the way it works. That's part of our job.
No, because
We're not gonna let you. We are out here for a disturbance. We're figuring out what the disturbance is.
He caused the disturbance.
That's why we're trying to investigate and figure out. Exactly. And nothing needs to happen. And nothing needs to happen.
Dice ese güey,
We'll go to the side of the story.
So tú qué hiciste?
No, listen.
Absolutely not. I'm done listening. No, I'm
The one
done.
that called, that's where your investigation started.
And it did start there.
No, it's not.
Listen, we don't want to take him to jail. We just need him to identify himself. That's it. So whenever we have an investigation, all we do is we gather both parties' IDs, and it's for our notes, okay? It's for our case notes. That's all we do. That's all we wanted was his information. And then whenever you don't give us your ID, right now he's impeding our investigation. We're unable. So you have to identify yourself. That's a law, okay? So that's what I'm trying to explain to him. We just need his ID to identify him. We don't want to have to take him to jail. It's the last thing we want to do.
That's not what we wanted.
That's it. Is there a way you could talk to him? We don't want to have to take him to jail if we don't have to take him to jail. No? Do y'all want to tell me what happened?
It started with him.
It's not a crime. That's the thing is like you guys arguing
It
with
started
crime.
with. It started with that man.
Okay, exactly.
He's-
and I
he's the
understand.
one.
And I understand. So all we were going to come do is come and diffuse
Well, I mean,
the
you need to
situation.
talk to him.
Exactly. And we had an officer over there talking to him.
But I can't tell anything else.
We're
He
just trying to
started.
figure out what happened. That's all we're doing is identifying.
Well, he's gonna tell you what happened because he's the one that caused everything.
Okay, so you guys don't, your failure to ID because you want us to talk to him, but he's already been talked to.
I mean, he's
That's
the
what I don't
one.
understand.
That's who you need to talk to.
Okay, but he's already been talked to.
Well, I don't know what's going on.
We're trying to get your side of the story. That's what.
We don't really have a side to tell if he's the one that made the call. He said everything, so whatever he
Okay,
said
so he
happened,
made the
happened.
call. So you tell me why he would have made that call.
That's his issue. Do you see him? He's doing about 3 or 4 returns while we're just standing in line. That's his issue. So go ahead and get his side of the story.
Yeah,
That's
he's the
really
one
what
that got all
And you don't want a side of the
aggressive,
story.
We
and
don't need a side of the story because
Okay.
we didn't do anything.
Okay.
All right.
he's the one that's. I don't know what's wrong with him.
You gotta do it. Can you get the shit out of the way? You can't fucking get up.
Calmado.
Don't stop recording.
Ajá, calmado.
Yeah,
Calmada, yes. Tenemos.
Incident number, and I need everybody's names here.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir. So why am I in handcuffs? Over here, please, for the record. Why am I in handcuffs?
You're being detained for investigation.
Okay, but you don't detain people in handcuffs.
So,
Okay? Because Karen over there called you guys. I heard him see if he's got warrants. I avoided him, okay? This is not the answer. And then this guy right here, Mr. Bailey, demanding my ID for no crime. Investigation starts there. He would have told you the story. That there was no crime committed.
Why is he leaving?
Right?
He's so
Why are you
aggressive.
in handcuffs? No, you don't. Not physically. Not physically. Not like this. You want me to put you in handcuffs of what you did to me?
I'm not
You
gonna argue.
violated my rights. It's not arguing.
I'm not gonna argue.
Shut the fuck up and get in your car. You're dismissed. Get me out of these fucking handcuffs. Sir, get me out of these handcuffs, please.
Okay.
This is not right.
Okay.
I did nothing wrong. It was an argument, that's it. Where it's
Why
not.
did he leave?
what's your first name?
You don't need
What
to know
would
that.
you like to be called?
Good citizen.
Okay, good citizen.
Yes, sir.
So, here's the deal.
There's no deal. Just explain to me, please. Get me out of these handcuffs. I don't want to be in handcuffs.
We're not
Yeah,
you're
deja.
not gonna get crazy with me or
I'm not
anything,
getting crazy, sir.
Déjalo.
I don't get crazy. I don't get crazy. I don't get crazy. This is crazy. What you guys did to me. Look at it, in front of the whole world, in front of my family. You want me to do that to you guys?
right? Hold on, sir. Let's relax. I
Fucking
gotta get you out.
stupid, man. Stupid, non-professional people, man. What the fuck you guys dealing with, man? And I need an incident number, please. And everybody's name that was involved. Even that man, because I'm suing his ass too for calling you guys. Look at that. Look at that. You guys recording that? Fucking animals. I'm gonna put you in torture cuffs.
The police officers in this video completely overstepped their authority, violating this man's rights in a situation that never should have escalated beyond a simple misunderstanding at a McDonald's drive-thru. Instead of de-escalating, they resorted to intimidation and unlawful demands, showing once again how easily feelings enforcement replaces true law enforcement. Under Texas Penal Code 438.0, failure to identify, a person is only required to provide identification if they are lawfully arrested or if they have allegedly committed an offense. Simply being detained during an investigation without any crime alleged does not create a legal obligation to show ID. The supervising officer later confirmed this, proving the arrest attempt was unjustified from the beginning. In the end, this man stood firm, calm, and informed. He knew his rights, invoked the First and Fourth Amendments, and held the officers accountable on the spot. His courage and knowledge not only protected himself, but also exposed the misconduct for the whole world to see. This is exactly how a citizen should stand up against unlawful authority.